Where are my columbine seeds? Which one is this one? This madness needs to stop. Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my garden. So I think all of you can relate to my problem. I am horrible at organizing my seeds. I have seeds in different packages, in different boxes, even in their original boxes, but I never know when I bought them or when I collected them. Sometimes the name tags got mixed up or they are gone and I have no idea what is in the package. So I needed a solution for this and I went online and I found a really amazing thing. Let me find it. There are lots of different solutions online, so I chose this one. This is just like a photo album and I can put little packages of seeds on each page. So let's see. This one is the album. It's a bit, shiny, but I don't mind as long as it works. And these are the pages. As you can see on the top side, you can insert the packages into each slot, and you can put a package on this side and you can put a package on the other side, so it's really nice. I also bought two types of packages. Let me open them. So this is one type and the back is empty. So this part has a little bit of glue. You can remove this part and close the packet. And I also have these ones. A little bit cheesy, but I really like that they are flowers and I'm thinking I could color them so they will be a little bit more colorful. And on the back there is the part with the information, the date when collected, the name and everything I need to not forget what I have on stock, so I can avoid overbuying or forgetting to buy some seeds. I'm so excited, you guys. I finally have a solution to this problem in the garden. Also, it is still cold outside, so it is the perfect moment to organize the seeds. So let's go. Okay, so first thing first, I will need to put these inside the album. So these little pockets are perfect for these seed packets, and there's space for one on each side, so I can put a packet for this page and for the next page on this side. Okay, so I will start with this because I really hate the packaging on this one. It didn't even come with an additional little pocket. All the seeds are just in this. And you know, when you don't use all the seeds at a time, you just put them away for the next year, and these spilled a lot of time, so I lost lots of seeds from there. This was a horrible experience, so I chose this one for these seeds. So since I have the original packaging, I will cut a piece of this picture so I know exactly what variety it is. I will not put any more packets on this side of the page. These are already pretty thick, and also I want to see what I wrote on this page. And I have 4 more to add on the next page. Look at this thick one, you guys. This is really full. Okay, so for this page I will also want to add pictures of the plants. So on this side I will add the packets, one on each side, one on this side and one on the other side, and also I will add pictures on each side of this page. Okay, so we are done, and it is already really fat, and I have a seed here. And I have lots and lots of space left, so it is really amazing. I don't know if there will be space for all of the seeds, but it is a really good start. So let's see. I don't have really much, but it is a really good start, and I really like how the pictures look like next to the seed packets. You instantly know what it is. Sometimes you don't remember the names of the flowers, and a picture helps a lot. And I also tried the simple way, and this also looks really nice, organized, and you know what to expect and what do you have. And we have a lavender seed here because these decorations I made last year still are full of seeds. Just look at this, you guys. These are all good viable seeds I could plant. Thank you again for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.